What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Get Hooked Fishing. Today we're going to go over some FishingSir products. Today we're going over this one here. This is the FishingSir Sidewinder. It is awesome to have in your tackle. Great product to keep in your gear. Saves you a lot of time respooling. Very nice product, very sturdy, durable. I love it. It saved me lots and lots of hassle just doing it the old-fashioned way. So here we've got the line winder, and as you see, it's got the wing nuts that tighten down. It's got some tensioning springs that will allow the center spinning swivel here to keep your line flowing smoothly as you re-reel. It's got a nice sturdy clip with grips on it that literally you can attach to anything. Again, it swivels on a ball there. It's got tightening clamps. Awesome products. It's put together with wing nuts. It's all steel. Great products. It's got little bands that'll hold it in place there, little black bands there. Can't beat it. I think it's like $13.99 or something. You know, it's don't quote me for that. It's in between like $12 and $15 on Amazon. Be sure to check out the description. I'm going to drop a link in the description where you can go and purchase one yourself. Highly recommend it. I love the product. It's saved me so much time, and it spins unbelievably. So you don't have to, you know, you can set the tension just a tad bit tight. I'll show you how to do that when we get going here. Set it a tad bit tight so that, you know, you don't have to hold your line and worry about, you know, your line going onto your spool so loosely or too tight, which can cause bird nests in your casting. So we're going to throw the GoPro here on my chesty, and we're going to get to it. We will be lining today. I've got a handful of rods and reels here in the back of my exploder here. We're going to be lining today. We're going to line the Silver Max Abu Garcia, 7:1 ratio. It's a 6 bearing. It spins incredible. I love it. I just cleaned it off, cleaned the reels and everything and all of my gear over just a couple days ago. I highly recommend that you get these products here. These are Ozark Trail. This is going to be real grease. That's going to be for bait casters, cleaning bait casters. Real oil is going to be for cleaning and lubing your spin casting rods and reels. Cheap stuff. You can get it at Walmart for somewhere right around $5. Highly recommend that stuff. So keep all your gear and tackle cleaned up, and of course, go get you one of these. FishingSir line winder. Can't beat it. It's amazingly affordable. Great product. And we're going to throw this GoPro on the chesty. We're going to show you how it's done. Stay tuned, guys. First thing you're going to do is you're going to want to loosen this little tightening nut here, and it swivels 360 degrees all the way around. It's an awesome product. I love that design. So you're going to loosen it kind of how you want it there, and what you're going to do is you can literally clip this to just about anything there. So once you get it clipped in here, you want to tighten it up, and let's see what's best here. Tighten it up. I'm trying to think about a good view for my camera angle here. There we go. It's something like that. Tighten it up, and you're ready to spool. that's what you got there. You can do it on a truck bed. You can do it on literally anything. Today we're going to be using Godline S. And this is going to be 50-pound yellow braided line. Incredible stuff. Again, I'll link this down in the description. Braids Pro Godline S, can't beat it. Love this. This is my favorite casting line out of all the products I've ever used. Godline's a good product. I'm not going to put them down. Sorry. What am I trying to say here? It's going to be Power Pro. Sorry. Power Pro is a great product. I'm not going to put them down. But by far, I recommend FishingSir Godline S over that product by far. Can't beat it. Love it. Incredible casting. Very, very far casting. Smooth as butter. Just comes off the reel just so smoothly. Love it. We're going to take this product here and we're going to put it onto our spool now. Let's hop in the kayak here. Alrighty. And we can get a little bit down lower for you. This is going to stay a little better for you there. Okay. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this band off here first. Sit that down, don't lose it. If you do, it's not a huge deal. So now you're going to take it, you're going to have these wing nuts and this tension spring here, and then you've got your two little swivels. Put those down, don't lose those either. Poke that through. So make sure we got a line going the right way. That's right. Okay. Now you want to take your swivel, put your arrowhead in. Okay. Take your tensioning spring, pop it back on there. Take your wing nut, tighten it. You can check the tension on it. Okay, you're going to want to tighten it with just a tad bit of pressure on the tension there. Okay, I think that's going to be us there. Hopefully. Let's do kind of like that there. I'll be facing this way, so we'll tighten it back up. Once you get it all adjusted properly, you are ready to go. Again, I love them grips. They're super snug, you know. So that's all good. Again, Godline S. We will be giving one of these away. I'm going to link another previous video for a giveaway. So we're at that 100 subscriber. I believe we have 99 now. So if you're viewing this video, please click that subscribe button just down below. I'm going to drop it right down here. Click subscribe, click like, hit that little bell notification so that you'll get notifications just as soon as we post new videos, and that'll give you a better chance for getting to comment first and allowing you to have the option to win those free giveaways. So make sure you do that, guys, and whoever wins it's going to win this box right here of Godline S FishingSir Braids Pro Godline S 50-pound braid in yellow. So I'm super excited to give that away. Cannot wait for that. Again, we're going to be spooling this reel here today. I cleaned it, so you know it's smooth as butter. It's very important. Keep all your tackle cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead. and get back in the yak here. And we're gonna clean this area up here a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take it off the rod here just to show y'all a little easier, because I don't have the space since I'm trying to film with the GoPro here. So anyways, got that there. This is Silver Max. Love it. Absolutely incredible product. Just found out that we are getting I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Aegir. It's Aegir, and hopefully I can get them to send me a left-hand retrieve in that. So I'm super excited about that. I'll be doing a review on it here very, very soon. But let's get on to the product here, guys. We're gonna come through our Godline there, and I'm gonna tie it up real quick. Stay tuned, guys. We're all tied up here. Just clip my tag in off of here. These here, Tsunami pliers. These are awesome. They're made out of aluminum. You can get these things at Walmart. They're new at our Walmart here, so they're like 10 bucks. Can't beat these. They clip braid. They do not end up getting nicks in them. So I love these products. I'll check those out as well. Throw my reel on there like I told y'all before I forget. Alrighty. So we're all spooled up here. And now we're gonna get to winding here. Okay. So all you want to do is just continue to reel. Like I said, you don't really have to worry about holding your line there. You can set your tension on your springs there, which is going to allow it to come off that spool just like you want it to. So, and as you can see, it's going on there smooth, staying in line. Love the product. Can't beat it. 12 to 15 bucks. And you're not really going to find any for that price anywhere else. And we're getting pretty close to where I want to be. I'm going to go a little more. Alright. Get to going. I don't like to put too much line on mine, so stop right there. Okay. That's going to be it. Take these clips here, and we're gonna clip that product off there. So there you got it, guys. Awesome product. Smooth as butter. Easy as cake. Can't beat it. Get my reel back on here. Tighten her down. Cannot wait to receive my FishingSir Aegir reel, bait casting reel. Super excited about that one. Cannot wait. I will be doing a product review on it as well, just as soon as it comes through the mail here. Shouldn't be too much longer. As we get this video posted here, I believe they're gonna go ahead and ship it on out to me, so you know, I'm extremely excited about that one. Those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, we'll be doing a lot more trout fishing. Trout fishing just did start today, guys. Started today, October 1st, down here in, we're in the most southwestern county, which is Lee County, Virginia. Great place. You know, we got things going on just like everybody else around the world that, you know, there's things out there that aren't all that great, you know, but as far as Mother Nature itself, we have some awesome trout streams. So we're super excited about that. We're so ready to do that. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tie on our favorite lure to it, which is gonna be the River to Sea Whopper Flopper. That is by far one of my go-tos as far as top water. Love it. I've actually lost 6 or 8 of them from bad casts and stuff like that into trees and things. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a real quick knot real quick just to show you with this braided line here. This FishingSir Godline S braided line. What you do is you go through it once, you come through it back through twice, so you got looped on both ends. Okay, just like that. So now what you want to do, this is a double improved clinch knot. If you get snagged onto something, you're not going to lose your lure. This 50-pound Godline braid, you're not going to snap off, you're not going to break. You can go 65 if you want. I prefer 50. But anyways, you get snagged on something, good luck getting it out. Most time I just continue to pull and pull and pull and pull until literally I cut grooves into my fingers, start bleeding out the wounds. You know, it's ridiculous. This stuff will not break. So you're either gonna have to bend your trebles, replace your trebles. I always do that with Gamakatsu trebles. On these ones here, I do a size 4. On the 110s, I do a, in the 90s, I do a size 6. So that's all you do is, sorry I didn't exactly walk all through that, but you're gonna go through twice through the little eye, and then you're gonna come back through. You're gonna spin it 6 times, and then you're gonna go back just like a clinch knot, back up through, you know, the hole, down through the hole by your eye, and then back through the loop you just made. Pull it tight, pull both ends tight, and you're good to go. We're gonna take and we're gonna cut our tag ends now, and that's gonna be it for tying our lure on here. Okay, love these. All you literally have to do is just squeeze down hard enough. That braid is going to clip, and this is some pretty stout braid here, guys. 50 pound. All I have to do, just really bear down on it. Sometimes when you're cutting 2 lines at one time, you might have to give a little bit of a snug, but other than that, you know, beats a pair of clippers by far, which is also second best thing that works for me, is your standard clippers that you find in the beauty section at wherever you're shopping at. So there it is. We got it, guys. Here we go. Love Godline S. Love the FishingSir line winder. Saves you a ton of time. That's it. That simple. And you're ready to go. There it is. Alright. Can't beat it. Y'all go get you some Godline S. I'm going to link that in the description. Awesome product. My favorite line by far. So go get you some, guys. We're going to drop out and we're going to send you off to some bass fishing. for camera real quick. That's a little bit better. Shake that wrong. Nope. Alright guys, we're beginning to lose some daylight here, so I'm going to try to wrap this up as quick as I can. FishingSir, Sidewinder, can't beat it, go get you one. Like I said before, like 12-15 bucks, we'll drop that down in the description. If you are a new viewer, then we hope that you click the subscribe button just down below here, and click to like the video, add a little comment to this. Maybe y'all want to see some challenges with trout season just starting. Maybe we can do, you know, whatever. I'm not going to give any references out there because I want challenges that come from my subscribers. I want you to give me a challenge, and I want it to be a challenge now. You know, I consider myself a fairly good fisherman, so, you know, throw something tough at me, you know. Whatever it is, throw it down there in the comments. I want to do it. You know, give me a challenge. I really want a challenge. So, I'm always up for challenges. Maybe it could be fishing on a budget or something, you know. Just gonna throw one idea out there, you know, whatever. I do a lot of fishing on budgets, but we're gonna do a lot of videos now on that are gonna be reviewing products. We're gonna be reviewing, you know, fishing lures, lines, rods, reels, all that good stuff. Also, we're gonna be swamping my channel, Get Hooked Fishing, with trout fishing this winter, this fall and winter, up into the spring. It's gonna be swamped with trout, so y'all be looking forward to that. So I'm super excited. I can't get enough. I can't believe I didn't go fishing today. We had tons and tons of dragonflies and all this stuff just out here in like the grassy areas in the yard here, and I didn't really get the chance to go fishing today. I had to take care of some other things, so I just couldn't get out there on the water today. Would have been an awesome topwater bite when them dragonflies were hitting the bottom, or hitting the top of the water in this late afternoon on a fairly cool day for beginning of October here in Southwest Virginia, 70 degrees or so. So anyways, we're gonna get to it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and y'all enjoy the video.